Hello everyone, let's have a look at one more DILR set. Read the data carefully, take the screenshot, solve this set by yourself, then come back to this video. Total 4 questions are there. These are first 3 and this one is 4th question. Now let's start solving this question everyone. On the 30th May 2020, it was Jennifer's 13th birthday. She decided to distribute 68 candies among her friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Total 8 friends are there. The candies were distributed in such a way that each of her friend got at least 6 candies and no 2 people got the same number of candies. Along with this, the following facts are given. According to first statement, it is given that Kada got as many candies more than Dennis as Franklin got less than Gauri. So what I will do is I will convert this statement into equation. So the first statement says that Kada got as many candies more than Dennis, means C minus D is equal to Franklin got less than Gauri is equal to G minus F everyone. So from the first statement we can say that C minus D is equal to G minus F. So from this what we can conclude everyone, C got more toffees, more candies than D, and G got more candies than F. Along with this, we can also conclude that the sum of C plus F is equal to sum of G plus D. This is what we can conclude from the first statement. Now the second statement everyone, from second statement we can say that A is equal to 11. Okay. From third statement we can say that Anurag got twice of Bedi, that is A is equal to 2 times B. And by using fourth statement we can say that Kada got more candies than each of Franklin and Himanshu but less than Gauri. Look here. Kada got more candies than F and H but less than Gauri. Okay. Means above Kada there is Gauri and below Kada there is F and H. And we also know that G is greater than F. We also know that G is greater than F and C is greater than D. Okay, C is greater than D means along with F and H I can write D here. So from this we can say that below Gauri there are 4 people, at least 4 people. Okay, below Kada there are at least 3 people. Okay everyone, this is what we can conclude from fourth statement. So now there is no any need of these statements everyone. Okay, there is no any need of these statements. So what I will do is I will delete these statements. Okay, so now look here, total 8 friends are there. Okay, total 8 friends are there. Each friend will get at least 5 candies. So 8 into 5 is equal to how much? 40. How many candies are remaining now? The number of candies remaining is equal to 68 minus 40, that is equal to 28. So first what we did, we distributed 5 candies to each and everyone. Now we left with 28 candies. These 28 candies we are supposed to distribute in between the remaining 8 people, in between these 8 friends, such that each and every friend will receive different number of candies. Okay everyone. So if we do some trial and error, this 28 is nothing but 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So 1 to 7, the addition is how much? 7 into 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 56 divided by 2, that is equal to 28. So this is the only possibility everyone. This is the only possibility in which we can distribute the remaining 28 candies, because each and every friend should have different number of candies. No 2 friends should have the same number of candies. So this is the only possibility. So after adding 5 to each, it becomes how much? Let's have a look at it everyone. It becomes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now over here we know that E received how many candies? E received 11 candies everyone. Okay, so now there are 2 cases we can form. the first case and second case. Look here. As per the third statement everyone, as per the third statement, A received double the number of candies than B. So if the value of B is 5, the value of A becomes 10. And if value of B is 6, the value of A becomes 12. These are the only two possibilities are there. So what we will do is, in the first possibility, we'll write A is equal to 10. We'll write A is equal to 10, okay, and B is equal to 5. In the second case, what we will do is, we will write A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 6. Okay everyone. So now look here. So over here we can see that below G, okay, below G there are at least 4 people are there, okay. Below G there are at least 4 people are there, F, H, D and C. So in the first case, these are the 4 places which can be occupied by F, H, D and C, and then G will occupy this place. Means G will receive how many candies? G will receive 12 candies everyone in the first case. Now below C there are 3 people, F, H and D. So C will receive how many candies in the first case? C will receive 9 candies in the first case, because below C there has to be F, H and D compulsorily, okay. So from this we can see that in the first case F, H and D will receive 6, 7 and 8 candies in any order. We need to decide that order, okay everyone. Now let's talk about second case everyone. In the second case, below G there are 4 people, C, H, F and D, okay. So these are the 4 places, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 places for C, F, H and D, and after that G will come. So in the second case, G will receive 10 candies. Below C there are 3 people, so C will receive 9 candies over here everyone. And in the second case, F, H and D will receive 5, 7 and 8 candies in any order. We need to decide that order, okay everyone. So now what we need to do here is, let's have a look at it. So we need to take a help of first statement everyone. So what I will do is, I will delete some part of the data over here so that I can have some space for the calculation. Look here. Over here. Now by using first statement everyone, by using statement number 1, statement number 1 is C minus D is equal to G minus F. So over here the value of C and G we know, so we can say that C minus G is equal to D minus F, okay. Or instead of this, what I will do is G minus C is equal to D minus F, okay. G minus C is equal to F minus D, sorry. So from this we can say that G is 12, C is 9, so F minus D is going to be how much? 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3. And over here F and D are going to take which values everyone? 6 or 7 or 8. So is it possible that F minus D is equal to 3 here? F and D will take 1 value among 6, 7 and 8. So it is not possible to get a difference of 3 everyone. That is why the first case stands invalid. Now let's check the second case everyone. In second case, G minus C is equal to F minus D. This difference is going to be how much everyone? Over here G is how much? 10 and C is how much? 9. This difference is equal to 1. So F minus D is equal to 1. And F and D are going to take which values everyone? 5, 7 and 8. So from this we can say that F has to be 8 and D has to be 7. So F has to be 8 and D has to be 7, and the remaining person is H. H will receive 5 candies over here everyone. So this is the valid case. This is the valid case. So now what we'll do is, let's have a look at the questions everyone. Let's have a look at the questions. So what I will do is, I will quickly write one combination over here. Our final arrangement is H, B, D, F, C, G, E and A, and the number of candidates is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay everyone, so I will copy this and we'll go to the slide of questions. Look here. So the question number 1, who got the least number of candidates everyone? H, Himanshu. Question number 2, the total number of candidates that B received 6, D received 7, F received 8, Himanshu, H received 5. This sum is equal to how much everyone? Let me check this again. B is equal to 6, D is equal to 7, F is equal to 8 and H is equal to 5. This sum is equal to 26. Question number 3, the total number of candidates with Bedi and Gauri. So B plus G is equal to how much? 6 plus 10, that is equal to 16. So we need to check each and every option. A plus F. A plus F is not 16 everyone. H plus C. H plus C is not 16. C plus D. C is 9, D is 7, this is equal to 16. So option number C is the answer here. After that, question number 4 everyone. The number of people who got more than Franklin. Okay, more than Franklin, these are the 4 people who received more candies than Franklin. This is how we can solve this particular set everyone.